Hello guys, we got another limited edition pen. The Nutcracker. I don't think you see it. Wait. You know what? See? I just... Erasable pens. Limited edition. I got green, red, and blue ink. Look, the Nutcracker is nuts about Christmas. I don't know what is this, maybe a ballerina or something, I don't know. This one, it's Jingle Dance. And the mouse made this quick mess. But now let's open it. Okay, let me open this real quick. Oh, what the? No, just kidding. I would say that. Can someone help me, bro? Like, I don't know how to do this. Oh my god. Oh, almost. Oh, yeah! Yeah! I did it! I did it! Good. Wait. Yes! I did it! Let me open this. Oh my god. The balloon exploded. What the? Okay, let me get the book.
Why?
The book. The book. I will show you what is the color.
Hindi mo naman nakikita. Ano?
Get the ballerina.
Dahil dopo di pa rin ito koso.
Red! I don't know if you can see it, but it's red.
Anak, akin na nga yung ano. Uy, yung Tupperware dyan sa may ano, sa katabi mo. Ano na yan? Ubus na yun. Ubus na yung ano na yan. Ay, ayun pala yung Tupperware. Dahil kayo parari ko lula. Ha?
And it's green. But anyways, that's all for today. So now, bye bye.